Hi, good day. Welcome to my page. My name is Fimba. Here I'll be teaching you how to download and install Figma. Okay, so go to figma.com. Here it takes you to the official page of Figma, and as you can see, everything is here. Before we proceed, do not forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on notification. Okay, so we'll click on the product here, and the product, we select download, which gives us different options to either download desktop on Mac OS or Windows or mobile phone, whichever one it is you're using. And I'm using the Windows a Windows system, so I click on Windows desktop app for Windows, and as you can see, the notification bar, it's currently downloading, and so it gives. Let's just take a little time before continuing what we're doing. Then I click on get started here, and this get started gives me the opportunity to be able to log in via the web browser. And now that's the beautiful thing about Figma. It gives you the opportunity to make your designs via your default web browser or the desktop app. Now, I am not new on Figma, so that's why I'm logging in. House, if I am new, I would have selected create account. So I put in my email and the password I want to use, or my password rather, then I click on login. Okay, so now it authenticates me right here, and it loads the entire page. Now, this is basically how Figma looks like, and this is the layout. This is the home page and everything. These are different files that I've currently worked with, or the ones that I have worked on so far. And okay, so now do not get this twisted. This is the desktop app. Sorry, this is not the desktop app, rather. This is the web browser. And now our app has fully downloaded, and so I am going to install it right now. It's currently installing, and to just take a little bit time. Okay, so this is the Figma icon. It's currently installing. I love working with Figma. Figma lets you work so perfectly and makes your design and work so beautiful. So that's why I really love it. And one important thing is it gives you the opportunity to work as a team, and you have the access to your files remotely. Okay, so now this is desktop app. If I am new, I create one. Okay, so now it takes me back to the web browser, and now the thing is I am logged in via the web browser, so it just prompts me to just open the desktop app. Yes, if it wasn't like that initially, if I had not logged in initially, I would have to start logging in again or creating an app account. But for the fact that I have done that, so I click on open the desktop app, and it prompts me to open Figma app. So that is what it just basically is. And right now it's opening the desktop app. So it's currently working. It's loading up. Yes, it will take a little time, but make sure while you're doing this, your internet connection is definitely on and going quite fine. Okay, so this is the layout of the desktop app. It's quite similar to that of the web browser. So if you want to start a new design, you just click on new design file, and it takes you to the home page where you start your design in whichever way it is you want it. So right now I'm trying to select a frame for you that is being new. Okay, so this is an iPhone 14 Pro frame. I can also select different kinds of frame that I wish to select. iPhone 14 Pro, desktop, Windows, Android, MacBook, different kind of frames that I would love to work with. So this is basically how you download and you install Figma if you're new. Okay, have a lovely day.